Hi guys, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria, and in today's video I have some very easy and inexpensive spring DIYs. I think these turned out beautiful. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with the home sign from Dollar Tree, I will be using the Crafter Square wood planks. One pack has 6 of them and I'm only using 5 for this one. I'm going to arrange them like one up and one down, one up and one down. I don't know if this is the correct way to say it, but that is how I'm going to do it. Now to glue these together, I'm using some Dollar Tree popsicle sticks. To paint the wood plank sign, I'm using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now you can paint this whatever color you like, but I love this Waverly Antiques color. It is my favorite one and I have been using it for a while now. To clean it out and making the drying process faster, I use a napkin to wipe some of it off. Now I'm going to use this home metal sign that I had from, I think, the fall. And I already used this before, but I like it using as a stencil. So I'm going to trace it, and then after I'm done tracing it, I'm going to paint over it using the white chalk paint. To decorate my sign, I will be using some of these floral picks that I got from Walmart. I got these last year. I got them for like really cheap. I'm not sure if it were 10 cents or 25 cents each. But of course, Dollar Tree carries so many other beautiful spring floral you can use instead. I will be only using one of the picks. I'm going to cut all of the stems off. And then I'm going to tie them using a piece of nautical rope. I'm sorry, not nautical, jute cord. I am using hot glue to glue the pick to my sign. To hang the sign, you can add a piece of jute string or nautical rope, but what I use is this sawtooth hook that I got from Lowe's. And to finish this off, I just added a cute little bow I made out of the Dollar Tree lace ribbon. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful and it's perfect for this spring. For my next DIY, I will be using this photo frame from Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the back, and I'm also keeping the back and the picture that comes with it. I will be using these for this DIY. And I love these kinds of frames because all you have to do is just remove the back, and it's so easy to work with these. Now this color is a peach color. You can't leave it like that since it's kind of a spring color, but I decided to paint mine white using some white chalk paint. Once it's dry, I'm going to put the back and the paper back to the frame, but I'm turning the paper around so like that only the white part can show in the front instead of the cute little kitties or dogs. I'm not sure what they were. Moving on to the next item I will be using is this wood palette from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it using the the Waverly Antique Wax. The next thing I will be doing is just gluing the palette to the frame. I'm using another Walmart spring pick and I'm going to cut the stems off and then just place them inside the little box I just made. And the last thing I will be doing is adding a tag, and I'm using one of the Dollar Tree tags. I'm going to use the back of it. I was planning on using the front, but my handwriting was horrible, so I decided to flip the tag around and use the other side instead. And I remember I still have a few of the words I can use for this from the transfer sticker sheet from Dollar Tree, so I did cut out the word welcome and then just transfer it to the tag. The last thing I will be doing is gluing a bow to the tag and then gluing the tag to the palette. And that is it for this decor. I think it turned out beautiful and you can use this all year round. My next DIY is so easy and simple to do. This item is not from Dollar Tree, but it did cost me $1 from Dollar General. And two of these little tubs come in a pack. I'm only using one of the little containers and I decided to spray paint this one this time instead of painting it. And I'm using this Krylon in white. Now, to match the rest of my decor, I decided to paint the little stripe in the center using the Waverly Antique Wax. I do want to mention that I left this drying overnight because I tried using it like after an hour passed by and I thought it was dry, but it wasn't. So I thought this wasn't going to work, but then I was like, you know what, let me just let it dry overnight and see what happens. And it did work. So now for the florals, I will be using these picks from Walmart and some boxwood greenery. I'm just removing all the stems off from the picks. Once I was done cutting everything, I was going to just put them in there, but then they wouldn't stay. So I did have to use some floral foam. And I'm just using little pieces that I already had, some little extras. And I'm going to glue them in the center. And then I'm going to add some Spanish moss just to make it look fuller. And then I'm going to just add the picks here and there, just arranging them to where they look nice and pretty. The last thing I did was add a little bow that I made using the lace ribbon. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. And you can use this all year long by just switching the flowers. And that is it, guys. I think all of these turned out beautiful. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.